की खबर का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ka Menteri Jongka Sorkar Pedeng ka Bakhmi Yaktanat Platengka ka Nirmala Sitharaman. Kalayato bakhendai pu arteli ki Shnong nong kendong ki badan hasilenter ka Khappud Badkari Bangladesh. Tila syajir hakawat ka baar jongka Vibrant Village Program ka Sorkar Pedeng kum ki Shnong ba Nyngkong hakari India. Ka Sitharaman kalayato bahkan salik jengok yakini ki Shnong Khappud haga khat artarik unaitung arajar arpusan ban yo yakren markhmat bad ki nong Shnong ya ki jing bad ki jing don kam jong ki khnang bak sarkar kandubla ban the ya ki song penroi syakini ki Shnong.
In the second phase of vibrant villages, in the first phase, border villages which are in the western side, go close to Pakistan border. We developed villages for every basic community, giving them the priority. Prime Minister Modi actually calls them not the last village or the border village, he calls them the first village to which people enter India. And therefore there we want to achieve complete saturation. Good roads, drinking water, primary health facilities, good schools, skilling programs, houses, toilets, everything. So, and also the banks going there to give loans. Now, 92 villages in Meghalaya have become part of the second phase of vibrant village. First phase was all that side. In the second phase, we are doing those which are in border with Bangladesh, Myanmar, Tibet, China, Nepal, and so on. In that, 92 villages from Meghalaya are becoming the first villages for India. I will be visiting some of the border villages during tomorrow, my visit itself. I just wanted to inform the objectives with which I have come here. One by one, we are interacting with people and getting their inputs on each one of these. Vibrant village is now a more comprehensive approach towards holistic development of those villages which are on the border. What it does is, as different from a border road, border village, the earlier program, is not just develop access of road or telephone connectivity, but this gives livelihood options for the communities which are living there, improving not only connectivity, but as I said, many of the basic indices of education, health, giving people livelihood opportunities and so on. So the Vibrant Village program has now widened the scope of development